With Daintree EZ Connect lighting controls from GE Current, a Daintree company, you can control a localized group of lighting fixtures for greater savings and occupant comfort. This wireless solution allows a group of adjacent fixtures to communicate with each other directly without need for a separate gateway or cloud operating system. Each lighting fixture has an integrated sensor. The system is easily and quickly set up or commissioned and controlled by the Daintree EZ Connect mobile phone app, which can be downloaded for free on the Apple App Store. When one fixture senses a person is close by, it can be programmed to turn the light up to 100% and tell the others nearby it has done so. The adjacent fixtures can be programmed to remain at the background level of 50%. Saving energy without leaving the person in an isolated pool of light in an otherwise darkened room. If another person enters the space, the fixtures respond, making sure the right amount of light is always available for each occupant. After the space is vacated, a time delay can turn the lights off. Imagine how much money you'll save not having lights on unnecessarily. Daintree EZ Connect is the quick, easy, affordable way to transform your lighting into an energy and money-saving powerhouse. For more information on Daintree wireless controls, visit gecurrent.com.